In this episode, we will be delving a bit into the mind and mindset and how it influences the fulfillment of our expectations in life. The mind is the mental facet of our being that controls what we imagine, the things we remember, and our ability to retain the present things around us. Our thoughts and thought patterns are heavily controlled by the mind. The mind also controls our willpower to either take steps forward towards achieving a milestone in life, or using that same willpower to discourage our efforts to remain where we are or take retrogressive steps. The mind also controls our senses. Sense of smell, hearing, taste, seeing, and feeling. These have an intriguing connection to our mindset. The mind alludes to a person's morality, reasoning, and understanding. Whatever you think about consistently eventually becomes who you are.
Look, the mind is shaped by what you feed it, and it assumes psychologically the form of what it feeds on. Establishing an attitude and belief that shapes how you make sense of the world around you and yourself is what we call mindset. Mindset is the mysterious tool that makes a giant out a little man and a little man out of a giant. Your mindset influences how you think, feel, and behave in any given situation. Your mindset concerning yourself and who you are, or can greatly contribute to your success or failure in life.